Job Sinebu Tuapo on Black Power family. What's up? Once again, tune in to RBGz TV, man. You know we keep it G. Raw and uncut common sense, man, for the common people. Of course, surrounding and dealing with some common issues. You already know we're trying to get to those common solutions. You know what I mean? Say it along with me, all in together now. 1, 2, 3, man. How we gonna do it? Very simple. With black love, you know why? Because black love is a cure for the black nation, so let's get it. Got another joint from you, man. Another little banger for you, man. Coming once again out of that Texas camp, man. Them Lone Star RBG boys, man. Big shout out to my homeboy Big CED. I'll throw you up on there, man, you know what I mean? Because we a problem. RBG is a problem. The youth waking up is a problem. Black people on the rise in general is a problem. So sit back, kick back, listen to the tune, man. Vibe out, rock out. Walk with me the way I walk with you. You know how we do. This is RBGz TV, man. We keep it G, man. Peace out. Bang on hard. Black Power.
But in reality, it has always been these Peckerwoods. It's always been these Peckerwoods that been doing these brutal ass slaying. Now again, niggas is doing some, but these crackers is doing many of these killings. You understand what I'm saying? And we, and the murders, and we get pawned off for these goddamn murders. Okay? And so, you know what?
Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Mr. Ticket Hoop, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Triple D, nigga, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Mr. Ticket Hoop, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Triple D, nigga, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Wood up, blood. Wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster niggas. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Give me the acid plug and I rob them. Show no love for no crackers and no coppers. Jordan and the Dickies, never no doctors. I got his queens, nigga, fuck them boppers. RBG is the team with the choppers. Black Purple Cartel, niggas got dollars. Underground king, bitch, I'm too hard to swallow. Follow Mr. Ticket Hooper down the yellow brick roads. Pick a G code that you'll get exposed for the dollars. RBG is the new fucking mobsters. Cut from the crowd with the black messiah. Gotta get it, fuck niggas who ain't down with it. I'm on a mound, 8-ball niggas screaming pitching. Surrounded by street niggas, see how they live it. Lying hard hustlers, niggas ain't liquor timid. Pour out a little henny on that great pit. You ain't saying said, nigga, you ain't saying shit. Baptized from that blood, from that slave shit. Ghetto nigga from the gutter, nigga trying to get rich. Forklift, nigga, that's my hood. Young gladiators on the grind, get it, gotta get their mind to unify their hood. So, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Mr. Ticket Hoop, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Triple D, nigga, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Mr. Ticket Hoop, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Triple D, nigga, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangster nigga. Yeah, they scared of Big CED, Mr. fucking Ticket Hoover. This is Triple D Dynasty, and I'm the new ruler. Half fuck you niggas treason, so I bought my shooters. It's an art of war, painted in blood for you losers. Got that seedless edition of that Mary Jane. Niggas fucking up on how they all sound the same. Niggas from the ghetto, yeah, they feel my pain. Look, mama do the rain dance, trying to make it rain. Now look at the dollars they fall. Hey, now look at the dollars they fall. Hey, now look at the dollars they fall. We ain't getting no money with y'all. My double styrofoam cup filled up. Now nigga draped up like King Tut. Middle finger up, cause ain't no one to trust. Yeah, this got the reality's fucked up. Ain't them label heads scared of Big CED. Red, black, and green down, shaking my dreads. Oak Cliff niggas steady stacking my bread. To the hustling gods, so I give my players. Middle finger to the feds, middle finger to the feds, middle finger to the feds. Left to the politician and your rail. You ain't saying shit, you ain't saying said, Mr. Ticket Hoover. Blessed by the God to the land of the losers. Triple D, RBGz is the fucking truest. Gorilla mainframe niggas is the fucking truest. Lone Star RBGz is the fucking truest. Forklift, nigga, that's my hood. Young gladiators on the grind, get it. Try to get that mind to unify they hood. So, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Here we go, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangsta nigga. Wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangsta nigga. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Okay, bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking problem. I say, wood up, blood, wood up, cuz, wood up, thug, and my gangsta nigga.